Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram not uploading story, right? So first of all we will go into the Play Store, and if you're using a iOS then just go to the App Store and on the search bar just type Instagram, right? And after that you have to open this Instagram and make sure that you are using the latest version of this app. Yes guys, and just make sure that if there is an option of update in the place of open, you have to update the app right away. And after that use the app. This might fix a problem, but if it doesn't then we have to do one thing. Just click and hold, go to the app settings or app info management. You can go from settings to, and after that you have to go to the storage, and after going to the storage you have to clear all the cache. And if you want to clear the data you can do it, but you have to re-log in into this app. So just make sure that you have the login ID and password, and this may fix a problem. But if it doesn't, then the last option, where the last solution I can show you, that it could be a issue of your permissions. Sometimes we don't give permissions, like here you can say that I have not allowed my contacts locations and all that. And if Instagram want my camera and microphone permissions, they have to ask me every time, right? So you have to just allow, just make sure that you have to allow the camera, microphone, storage, these particular three permissions that you should have allowed. And sometimes it doesn't show the notifications on the Instagram, and this may, and because of this you could found the error of not uploading stories on your account, right? So this is it guys. I hope you found this video really helpful, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe channel. See you in the next video. Till the time, take care, goodbye.